Hey guys, it's Daddy Mike back again to show you another amazing product. Today I'm excited to show you the Thermomate mini tank electric water heater. It's a model ES150. Have you ever turned the hot water on maybe to wash dishes and cold water just runs out for 15 or 20 seconds and eventually gets hot? So I have a great solution for you with this point of use mini hot water heater. You can have hot water where you need it, when you need it. It's great for showers, washing machines, and at your kitchen sink. It's compact and lightweight. You can put this right under your kitchen sink and have the instant hot water that you need to wash your dishes. This model is a 1.3 gallon. It's the Thermomate ES150. So now I'm going to take it out of the box, take a closer look at it, and tell you a little bit more about it. So here is everything you get in the box. With the Thermomate ES150, you get a user manual. Here's a mounting bracket with hardware. You get a pressure relief valve. This is your standard plug that you plug right into standard 120 volt outlet. And here's the Thermomate ES150. It has a very attractive look, simple to use with a thermostat. Of course, the higher the number, the hotter your water will be. Usually I put it about halfway, maybe 125 degrees. Here on top is your cold water inlet. This is your hot water outlet that will go to your faucet. And this is where the pressure relief valve goes. Here's a view of the back. Now we're up to 110. I think I read in the instructions that this only goes up to 125. So maybe we need to turn it up to max and maybe it'll make the water 125. Let's see.
Is it all the way? Yeah, all the way.
Because the instruction says its default setting is 125 degrees. Okay, so now the red light went off. We had it set on max. We're going to test the water, see the temperature. When we had it set over here, it was 90 degrees. And then here was 110. So probably between here and here would be perfect. Anyway, let's see what we have on the max setting. Yeah, so we're getting 125 degrees on the max setting. 125 degrees on max. Here is 90, so a nice temperature would probably be somewhere right there. So guys, the Thermomate ES150 seems to work extremely well, but one thing to remember, here it says 125, but actually the max is where you get 125 degree temperature water, which is plenty hot for whatever you need. Great for washing dishes, for a washing machine, whatever you need. So I highly recommend the Thermomate ES150. So guys, please check it out.